Hey guys, welcome to Teenage Entrepreneurship. Today I'm going to show you the best tips and tricks on how to be a great food delivery driver. This is going to work for all the big services like DoorDash, Uber Eats, Grubhub, and Postmates. All the big boys. Alright, let's jump in. Tip number 1. Never take orders under $5. If the order is under $5, it is not worth your time. Another great tip is to always avoid school zones. School zones will only serve as an interruption between you and your destination. If you're like Jake, you already have to avoid school zones. Like Ryan Gosling always says, I drive. Always smile and be friendly. A happy customer is a tipping customer. We got this sweet Wendy's meal. Now we're gonna show you the best way to deliver any food. Another tip, always drive sober. Jake here got DUI. Now he has to deliver food through the metaverse.
All right, perfect.
Discard any straws or silverware from the bag before you complete your order. If they ever give you a straw, toss that shit. Save the turtles. I'm gonna show you a quick trick if you ever need to use the bathroom while you're making a delivery. Just drop off the order. Make sure there's no one in there. You're all clear. Now you can use the bathroom. Remember not to flush or you'll alert the homeowners. See a phone? Don't hesitate to give yourself 5 stars. And take some as a tip. People ask me what I do for a living. I drive. Drive for what? I drive. Drive for what? Like Uber? I drive! Drive for what? Like a delivery guy? Like a pizza driver? I drive! I drive! You tip me like shit, you're gonna find a booming surprise in your food. We are human beings. If you give me anything less than 5 stars, I'm gonna stomp your fucking head in! Don't test me! I've been to your fucking house! I know where you live! I know where you live! Remember, when you're delivering food, it's always okay to speed.